I decided to make this video because I wanted to share some of the experiences that I had with teaching online. So, due to this coronavirus crisis, a lot of people had to shift to online teaching, including myself. And so I know a lot of people are using online meeting tools such as Zoom to do their classes. I personally was not a fan of Zoom and did not want to use it because of the simple fact that not a lot of students have access to a good internet connection. Some students may not even be available at the time that you're doing your Zoom meeting, and it's difficult to conduct a live synchronous session, especially when you're expecting more than 20 or 30 students to be online at the same time. So, internet connection just drops out, or, something can happen. And it's very common, and it does happen, and students have been especially frustrated about this issue. So I started off by first recording videos on my phone, just writing on my um, notepad and recording that with my phone. But that's also a bit frustrating and time consuming because um, you have to record a long video, and then the size of that file is also very large, and you have to compress it before you can upload it on perhaps OneDrive or YouTube or wherever you want to do. So I wanted to share my current setup, in which I use the OBS Studio software along with YouTube Live to do my online lectures. The benefits of using the OBS software is that it's a streaming software that allows you to stream live to YouTube. A lot of people already use this software. They use it for gamers, especially do game streaming on it. Regular YouTubers use it to screencast or do live sessions. And I think it's particularly useful for online live lectures as well. And so I'm just going to give a quick tutorial on how I've set my online lectures, and how if it's if anyone benefits from it, that would be great. Okay, so this is the website of the OBS Studio software. You can view the link. This is obsproject.com. I'm currently using the Linux operating system, so I have it for that. But if you're using Windows or if you're using Mac OS, it's available for those as well. All right, so once you download OBS and open it up, this is what it's going to look like. Once you have it, you can go into the auto configuration wizard. It will give you some dialog boxes and you can start setting this up. So I want to optimize it for streaming. I'm going to keep it as that. Okay, it's going to ask for my resolution. I can just leave the defaults in. At this point, it's going to, because I said that I want to do it for YouTube, it's going to ask me for a stream key. My stream key has already been loaded here, but let's remove it and let's see how you can do that. So let's go to YouTube. I go to my YouTube channel. I start a live session. I press go live. It opens up this new window for me, and it's asking me for stream settings. I'm going to go for a new stream. If you have done a stream before, it it allows you to copy the settings, but let's suppose we're starting fresh. Let's just give the stream a title, test stream. So if you're doing a live online lecture, you would want to set it for public, but because I'm just doing a test stream, I'm going to set it to private and just check a few settings, and I would now create stream. Once you create the stream, you have access to this um, window where you can see different things. So this is the preview of your stream. Right now it's not showing anything because I've not started my stream. This is the live chat which will start appearing once your viewers have joined the lecture and are starting. So if your students are here, then they'll start writing messages and they'll show up here. This is the stream key that I need. So I will just copy this and I will go to OBS and I will paste this in my stream. Next, and OBS will take a few minutes to optimize the resolution, take some settings, wait for a few minutes, and it's done. So I apply settings, and now this is what it's streaming right now. It's streaming nothing because I've not added anything for it to use as a source. So if I go back to my YouTube Live, it's still receiving no data because I've not started my stream yet. We'll do that in a bit, but before we can do that, I now want to show something to my students. To do that, I go to this Sources tab, press this button, and there are several options for using which video you want to show. You can even capture your whole screen. What I find more useful is just capturing just the window that you want to show to the students. So you press that, click OK, and now you decide which window your students should see. And I have a calculus book open, the PDF of this book, press this button and it shows up, and just press OK. So this is the book, this is the window that was originally there, but now it's shown up in the OBS Studio software. And now if I start streaming, this turns green and it tells me that YouTube Live should be receiving my stream now. So I go to my internet browser and it tells me that there's an excellent connection and it's loading the preview over here. Once it loads up the preview, you can view the preview. Let's add some audio as well to this. Right now, whatever I'm streaming, this is only the screen that is being shown. The students won't be able to hear me. So I can add an audio source. I'm going to use my built-in microphone, and it has added this audio as well. So now it's streaming this window as well as this audio. So if I go back to my internet browser, you see that the preview has shown up and it's given me an option to go live now. So all of this is just setting up. The stream has not started yet, but now you're ready because this option has become available. If you feel that you're ready, you can just press this go live button and it will start streaming live to whoever is viewing the stream. So if there are subscribers to your channel, your students, you can give them the link. Over here is the stream link. You can give them that link and they'll be able to view it. If they're already on your channel, they'll already get a notification that you've gone live with a lecture. So if you send a message here in text, it will show up here. So let's go to the OBS software window, and you can even add your webcam input as well. So if you want to write something, perhaps we can add another video capture source. Okay, my Droid Cam. And so now this is the window that I've set up. This is the webcam output that's being shown. So if you want to write something, if I write something over here, you can maximize it a bit. And if you write something on it, this will go to your live stream as well. You can use your webcam. I'm currently using my phone's webcam to do this, but you can use your phone webcam as well. So if I go back to my internet browser, I check my live stream, you can see that my PDF is showing, but now my webcam is also showing. So there's a bit of a lag between what you're streaming and what the preview is. Don't worry about that. You know how far you are based on. There's only a few seconds of lag between your stream and between the live video. All right, so once you're done, once you're done with the lecture, you can just stop the stream and you can go to your internet browser. You can wait for this stream to end, and once you're done, you can just press end stream and end it. The best thing about this is that once your stream ends, YouTube immediately gives you the option to edit it and publish it on your channel. So you don't have to worry about downloading, compressing your video or anything like that. It just opens up this window for you. You can edit it, you can edit the title, you can add some description on it. It will take a few minutes to process the video, but if you don't want to do any changes, you can just let it be, and after a while it will just show up on your video, on your YouTube channel.